This is what it looks like currently. It's pretty dirty. Obviously, you can very much still see it, but I really need to change this air filter because the whole intake, because right here you can't see it, but it's actually cracked. So that's terrible. So we're gonna change this whole intake. You're gonna see the after results. All right, so I took all of these little screws out. That's not a screw. I took this, and these two. This one I actually lost. I don't know. It dropped somewhere down there. Hate it. So they're over here. So now I gotta take this. I can't even see on the camera. I gotta take this out right here. I'm gonna take this off, then I'm gonna start taking the rest off. This hose is off, so it's easy to come out. Just yeah. Use a 10mm socket with a screwdriver so far, and here we are. I just wanted to show you guys this, but I took this screw out and I wasn't really expecting all of that. I started taking this off, then I remembered gotta take this off, gotta unscrew this. So just lift this up right quick. I gotta do this with two hands. If I had a camera guy, this would be easier, but here we are. All right, I literally just popped this off. I didn't take it all the way off yet. Let's see how dirty it is. Yeah, that looks pretty clean to me. Can't even lie to you. But yep, this is the inside. It's actually cleaner than I thought it'd be, honestly. It's a little dusty, but they have some spider webs. But yeah, we're just gonna sit this here, and here we are. Don't mind this. This is irrelevant. It's also irrelevant. Don't mind that. Anyway, this seems pretty easy to take off. Wait. Yeah. I don't want to grab that. Just some things are obviously in the way. So now I gotta get this boot off. Like, in order to take this off, I'm gonna have to take this hose off. I already took this off. Oh wait, I think there it is. There's the infamous crack. That didn't come out right. No, you can obviously, yeah, that's terrible. That's not good. So sorry guys, I call this a hose. This is not a hose. This is behind it. So I don't really think I gotta take it off here. I think I gotta take it more off. Follow this line and it goes to here. So this is where, and I can't close this pliers. This is where the pliers come in handy. And I can't do this with the left hand, let alone one hand. So, oh, never mind. All right. Well, with a little help, my dad helped me get this off. We got it off. Yeah, let's try and zoom in. What does it look like? And here it is. Once again, the infamous crack. You can see exactly where it's cracked at here. Yeah. I don't like it. Now let's try and get this out. Nope, ain't happening. Well, I guess that's it. I'm gonna call it a night. Look at all that space. Enough for twin turbos. Anyway, so got this off. May have cheated a little bit. Probably was supposed to take this off because it was stuck under this, but I just maneuvered it out the way. Here it is. Jeez, that is so dirty. I don't need this either. All right. I think I gotta take this off and clean it. That's pretty dirty. Wow. Let's just take a second and just admire how dirty this is. Look at this. The spider webs. And then, oh my, all that gunk. That is disgusting. Dude, I'm gonna throw up, honestly. What the? Yo, this is terrible. Really need some nice cleaning. You think detailers do engine bays? Just letting you guys know. Everything I used was 10mm pliers and screwdriver. Okay, this is how it's gonna go. Now, obviously, I don't have everything on. So the hose meets here. This is here. The filter would be here. Seems simple enough. So, we'll get back to it. Basically, I'm just kind of winging this. I don't really feel like watching YouTube. I just feel like getting this stuff done. Kind of aggravated. Basically, where's the piece at? Here it is. And this is about to fall out of my hand. Hold on. Where is it? This hole's right here. The plastic metal piece literally snapped. Let me set this down right quick. I'll show you exactly. It's not one problem, it's another. Isn't that right? This right here completely snapped off. Here it is, still in the hose. And what am I gonna do? I don't know. But yeah, there's that going on. I was going to take off the manifold and clean this out, but I'm not doing that. I don't feel like it, honestly. So we're just gonna put the other intake on, then that'll be that. Keep it gas. Little bit. I like that intake.